Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing iPhone 17e and Samsung Galaxy S26. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. iPhone 17e comes with 6.1 inches Super Retina exterior OLED display, and the Galaxy S26 comes with 6.3 inches dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display. Hardware features. Galaxy S26 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, and the iPhone 17e comes with Apple A19 chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity studio speakers and Bluetooth 5.4. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.